Tamara here, and I've got an exciting new traffic resource for you. This one is pretty awesome. I literally just joined it the other day, so I wanted to break it down for you and tell you all about it. It's called Virtual Cash Flow System. Some of the things I really love about it is that you literally get paid instantly and directly, hard cold cash, to advertise your businesses or your affiliate marketing offers, whatever you're promoting, which is pretty insane. And you can put in multiple payment options. So PayPal, Bitcoin, Venmo, Cash App, Stripe, whatever you like. So I'm going to break it all down for you, show you everything you get. It is pretty incredible. And not only that, you can literally be paid directly from people that you don't even bring in. Because it kind of works, we work together as a team, and I'm literally under one of the top people who is under the creator, right? So we got it good. So the whole company works together as a team, right? So whoever brings in somebody on the team, you very well could get paid for someone else's work, right? Which is always nice. Anyways, I'm going to break it all down for you step by step so you can understand it all. And it's pretty awesome, everything you get inside. All right. Plus, if you do get it from me, my bonus is you're going to get free lifetime access to my affiliate marketing course, which has many more traffic resources in there, as well as, well, it's just packed full of good stuff. Hold on to your hats, because here we go. Nothing better than getting paid cash instantly to advertise your business. Okay, so when you click the link below, if you're watching on YouTube, right, you'll be taken to this page. Just give you a little synapse, and this is my course you're going to get for free. So if you want my course, then you just click here. You'll find the virtual cash flow system underneath my traffic sources in the course, or join the course and then come back to the page. But if you don't want the course at all, then just click here, which will take you over to this page, the virtual cash flow system. So as I was saying, you get like 100% commissions and massive spillover. So literally every member, we're kind of on a team. Okay. So it's a done for you system, and it's instant direct payments. So like I said, you can even put in which payment options you'd like to be paid in, no problem. This is cray, but I get it. So I'm going to explain it all to you in a second. So yeah, you can just join now for free, and then basically I'll show you exactly how to upgrade to the first starter level. Okay. Yeah. Not only are you going to be able, like I said, to advertise your affiliate marketing offers or your online business offers, but you get paid. So they have this amazing compensation plan that runs in two stages to completion, and then which is a 4x4 matrix. And then the third and final stage is a faster filling 3x4 matrix. Okay, so basically, if each of the members that join this, and this is fairly new, it just launched, I think, in June or July 2022. So you're going to get yourself pretty high up there if you join today. If everyone brings in 4 people, we just start filling the matrix faster, and you get to move more money, and you also get more advertising. But you also get spillover, right? So that's what I'm saying. Like when I joined, I know who I joined under, Angela, who is right here. But I actually paid someone on her team. Pretty cool, right? So level 1. So this is your starter level. Like this is what I did yesterday. Okay, so it's 10, and these are all one-time payments, okay? So it's $10 one time. And they haven't even added this yet. So you get 1,000 banner impressions or clicks. You get 1,000 text ads. And then you also get 1,000 login ads, which isn't even on here yet. So that's just been added, I believe. Right? So you'll get 4 people. So 4 people who join either through you. I mean, ideally you want to bring in a minimum of 4 people, right? So we get the matrix filling faster. We get our team building faster. So, but even if you don't, that's okay, because you can only kind of make $40 from the first level. Okay, so that's 4 members. And then if it's over than that, then it just, that $10 gets trickled down to someone that is on our team, which I like. So that kind of means everyone's going to get paid. But as I said, try and bring in 4 people minimum. Once you do that, bring in the 4 or have 4 under you, placed under you, then you move up to level 2. So you make $40 here. So you can even take half of that, $20, and pay this one time, right? But then now you're getting in addition to these, okay? So whenever you see here, that is in addition. So you're getting more and more. And remember, like I said, that includes login ads, which is not showing here. So that's like 6,000 ad impressions you're going to get for $20. But then you have the opportunity to make $320, right? So this downline is 16 people. And again, once this one's filled up, so 16 people that you've either brought in yourself or that the team gives to you in spillover, then you move up. Okay, and it's the same thing. So you'll always get to keep these until obviously they're all filled up, like have all been used, right? But they're always adding. And then same thing. So then downline, like level 3 is $1,920 cash. And these are directly sent to you, like I said, PayPal, Stripe, Bitcoin, Venmo, Cash App, whatever you put in there, okay? And then, so that's what you do. You literally take your profits from the level below, and these are always just one time, okay? And then keep moving up, keep moving up. So that is stage 1. So the total benefits of end of stage 1. So once the stage 1 is totally filled, then that means you're going to have made $12,520 cash, right, in total. And then you move on to stage 2. And like I said, you get 10,000 banners and 10,000 text ads in total, plus the login ads, okay? Now, stage 2, same deal, right? You pay this one time, but you've just made like $12,520 to move up to this level, so it's totally doable. So literally, the plan is you will only literally pay $10 one time out of pocket. The rest is from your commissions that you make. As I said, not just from who you bring in, but also from what every member brings in, okay? Super exciting, you know, that's why I'm like, what? And you're also promoting and advertising for your other affiliate offers or business offers, okay? Like, it's pretty incredible. And then same kind of deal, right? So stage 2, you go up higher and higher and higher. And then at the end of stage 2, you're going to have 92,000 banners, 92,000 text ads, and 92,000 login ads. Plus the cash payout would be $118,400. Not done yet. So these are the 4x4 matrix, okay? So now the stage 3, we go to 3x4, right? Same deal. You're taking your profits from what you've made. Again, you're just one time, right? And then you're going to get 48,000 banners, text ads, and login ads. Cash payout $19.20 for this level, right? And same deal. We move up, we move up, we move up. So again, remember, like it goes back to 4. So now when you're on stage 2, it's 4, okay? And so the end of stage 3, almost like over 250,000 banners, text ads, and logins. And the cash payout is $254,400. So the combined benefits at the completion of all 3 stages, that's going to get you this many banners, text, and logins, $354,000, and cash payout $385,320. Is your mind blown yet? Because mine sure was when I saw this. I was like, what? You know, I'm not saying this will not happen even probably this year, that's for sure. But I love how every level you earn more and more money, okay? And if that is just for bringing in 4 people yourself, you have the potential to even get this much. Like, hello. So obviously the more people you bring in, the faster we build the team and the faster you get bumped up, okay? And as I said, you're also promoting your business. Anyone who participates can earn. So, as I say, you not only will you gain instant access to more clicks to your primary business, you'll also be provided with high converting website and marketing materials that you can use to promote your affiliate link to start earning 100% commissions direct to your account. All right, so literally just join now. Like I say, you can join for free. And then once you've joined, you would log in. There's loads of testimonials as well. So again, this is the login ad. So yours would be rotated in here as well, like your affiliate marketing offer or your online business opportunity offer, whatever, right? So these are all rotated. But obviously, the more impressions you get, you kind of will be rotated quicker, right? So the first thing you want to do is watch this video from the woman who created this system. So then here are your steps, okay? So the first thing you want to do is purchase your position. The promotional center. So like this website here, that's got my affiliate link in it. So that's what you would get as well, okay? So the most important thing was payment info. So basically, let me just show you. It's easier if I show you. So first you want to do is watch here. Okay, then you go to purchase positions. You would see my sponsors. So Angela's already coming up to level 4. So she's coming up to getting on, stage 2. Join levels as fast as you can after your sponsor is showing qualified. Because Angela's level 4, so I could actually pay, because I just paid the $10 yesterday, but I can up, because she's all the way up here, I could just pay these. So you have to pay each one, or just wait for your commissions to come in, okay? Which is cool. Okay, I'm still kind of learning this as I go too. The first one is $10. So I bought that yesterday. Today is the 2nd of August. And then there is me. All right, so then once you join underneath me, these will start filling up. My first level, there'll be 4 people, and then it goes down. Alrighty. And as I will be getting... We all will get loads of spillovers as well. I mean, it hasn't even been 24 hours yet since I joined, so that's fine. Okay, and then if someone does join, just check under here, pending payments, because you need to manually approve them, and then your approved payments will show. And then this is another cool thing. So the downline builder. So these are different business opportunities you can join and then put your affiliate username in there. I haven't joined some of them yet, but I have been involved with TextLN for a few weeks now, so that's my user name in there. So when people join under me, if they want to join, they will click on my link. Okay, so you click here to join TextLN, and there's mine. Okay, so when someone joins something, it'll be with your affiliate link. Okay, so just make sure you put, if you want to join all these, do that. So like Leads Leap, that's me there. Okay, so there's my name. And it goes down. Okay, so you can join all these. It's just that people who underneath, like they will join under you when they look at these, okay? And also add 5 of your own programs. So they would just look like that downline builder, okay? So I haven't done that yet. And then you see your stats and the promotional center. So when you're through here, like I just kind of built my own right now, but you can share the capture pages. Like when you're in here, you go under downline builder and you can join Leads Leap through me, and then you can get these capture pages. Okay, so that's cool. And if you want to just send them directly to the page I originally showed you, then you can just grab this link here. It's always good to collect your own leads. Okay, so there's bonus under here as well. And then for the banner advertise, so that is my banner. And I've had 2 clicks, but I get 1,000 just on the starter level, right? So if it's $10, so I have lots to go. Like I said, it's been less than 24 hours, so that's fine by me. And then, so basically I just use canva.com to make these super easy, and you can do it for free. And then your login advertisement. So this is going to show, so this has been shown, my page has been shown 9 times. Okay, so that's fine. And then there is the text ad advertisement. So this was mine here, and that's been clicked on twice. Like I said, it hasn't even been 24 hours. So there's marketing training in here as well. So how to get your first 4 signups fast. Okay, because like you're saying, minimum try and bring in 4. And then payment info. So you can accept the instant payments. So you can put Bitcoin, PayPal, Zelle, Skrill, Chime. I haven't heard of Chime, but here you can join Chime. Just make sure these are available in your countries, like in Canada, Zelle, I don't know what Chime is, but I know Cash App not available in Canada. I really recommend joining Wise. They're awesome. And I travel with just their credit card, basically. It's great. So this is for Stripe. And then you need to enter your password that you join with to update any of these. And then this is just the virtual cash system explain how the matrix and spillover works. Okay, so she's going to go through all of that and how the payment and levels work, how the pending payments work, everything like that. Okay, so we're going to be here forever if I do all this as well. So your best bet is, like I said, you can join for free and you get to see all of this information, but obviously you don't get to make any of the commissions or get your advertising until you upgrade at least to the $10 level. Okay, and as I was saying, so my bonus is you'll get lifetime access to this my training course, which is free, and you get gifts, bonuses. I have lots more traffic resources in here. Okay, so if you're interested, click the link below, and as I said, it will take you to this page over here. And if you'd like to join my course, you click on here. If not, then go straight to the virtual cash flow system. Okay, I will be doing new videos on this system because, like I said, it's pretty new to me. But because I know people who are involved who I know are killing it with it in such a short time, then I know it is legit. Okay, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. I'm coming at you with lots more videos to help you on your online journey to success. All right, take care. Cheers. Bye.